Angie Mentink here for the Sunset Auto family. Now, first of all, thank you for your business. Typically, we want to check warranty items to try and get ahead of any potential problems before you ever have to worry about a warranty claim. But what about your warranties themselves? When was the last time they had a checkup? You see, it doesn't matter if it's a manufacturer warranty, an extended service contract, or even Sunset's warranty protection for life. You do have some responsibilities, namely just to maintain the manufacturer's minimum maintenance requirements. Failure to do this could result in your warranty being voided. This is the last thing we ever want to see happen. We want you completely protected. This is why we will check your warranties, sort of a warranty health check, to make sure that all the requirements have been met. By doing this in advance, we have several remedies available should the required maintenance have been missed or performed too late. This is a whole lot better than finding out your warranties have been voided when you really need them, right? Just one more example of you getting more at Sunset. Let's take a few minutes when you come in to make sure that everything is up to date with your warranties. It won't take long. Just tell your service advisor you want the warranty health checkup. The peace of mind is priceless. Thanks again for your business, and we'll see you soon.